Hello everybody! Thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace and I'm also known as Littlemama. I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com and today I'm going to show you how you can make $10 over and over again to earn yourself some PayPal money. Alright? So I'm going to show you how easy it is to just check out some websites, kind of fool around with these websites, and you get to get paid $10 just to test them out. It's going to be pretty easy. And so before I get started, I just want to let you know that if you're new to my channel, that you get to learn about different ways to make money online, especially with affiliate marketing. So subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and hit that notification bell if you want to see when my next video comes up. And if you find this video valuable today, please make sure you like my video and give me a thumbs up, okay? So let's jump right in, okay? Here we are. This is actually here, userfeel.com. So what this site is any business owner who has like a website or an app that they want others to test for them, then they would come on the site and then become one of their customers and run a test. So let's say I own my business, right? And I want my website to be tested, then I will come here and start a test. But if you want to earn money doing the tester, if you want to be the tester, you come to this tab and guess what? You get to be a tester and earn $10 for every test, which only takes about 10 to 20 minutes to complete. And all you have to have is a computer or a smartphone. Okay, before you get started with this program though, you need to just kind of take a look at this video right here, because this video kind of shows you what they're looking for, because you will need to do a initial test first before they will accept you to do some real tests. Okay, so I would suggest that you would review this video in great detail and listen to what this tester does, and so that you know exactly how you will be able to get accepted to do your test, so you can earn $10 per test every single time. Here are some FAQs that you will need to know about. So let me just go through these real quick. So what you're really doing is that you're going to be going on a website, and what you'll be doing is basically testing it out. And initially, you'll see what the test is about. So you'll need to just take a look at the prereq before you get to the test. It'll say what you need to do for the test. Then all you're doing is surfing that website and giving your thoughts saying your thoughts as you go through the website. So the website owner will want to know your feedback. They want to know how the navigation is for their website, how to find things. They want to know if it's easy to use. They want to know if you like the colors maybe, or tell them how you feel about certain things on their website. Like any thought that comes to your mind while you're going through that particular website, you should speak it. Okay, let's just keep going here. Do you need to buy the products or services from the websites that you test? No, you do not need to do that, okay? So all you need to do is have a Windows or Mac computer. I think if you have a computer versus, it says here you need smartphone. You can have smartphone here too, but it looks like down here it doesn't really talk about any phones. So I've already gone through this. It doesn't really talk about phones. So I think you probably have a better acceptance if you used the desktop computer or a laptop, okay? So if you're using Windows, it needs to be Windows 7 or higher. And then you also need a microphone. So if you have a computer, you may not have a microphone with it, but laptops usually have like an internal microphone, so you might need to go buy one. And any type of headset that you already have, like usually on smartphones, the headset that you have has a mic in it, so I think that will already work if you could plug that into your computer. And they want you to not use your real names and addresses when you're doing, if you need to input information into these test websites, do not use your real information. You will be tested in the language that you're going to basically tell them that you have that you're native in. So if you say you can speak in 3 languages, then you may be eligible for even more tests because you know 3 languages. Now there's, as I was telling you before, you will need to take a qualification test. And this qualification test has no payment, so you won't earn a $10. So, but what you will find out through this test is whether you are good enough to do the other tests. So I would study that video up top of this website to learn exactly what they're looking for. See, there are screener questions before each test, so they want to make sure you are the right person to go through that type of website. What makes a good tester is that you speak very clearly and you speak as you surf the website. So you want to provide lots of your thoughts and kind of give them useful feedback on how they can improve their site and see if it's working the way they want it to work. So you really need to speak to the usability of the website that you are testing. So they do not want, basically they don't want you to give them a fake test. Like, don't just say everything's fine, everything looks great, or you're trying to say the site is just, oh, so pretty or whatever. You need to provide real value to the test results here, okay? So they want you to be a real tester, okay? They need you to, first of all, perform the scenarios that they tell you to, and you need to speak loudly and clearly. You want to do this in a quiet place, and you want to keep continually explaining what you're doing and why, and say what is confusing or what attracts your attention. So there are, basically, as you go through it, you want to give good feedback and things that you wish it was better, what they can improve. So you will be paid $10 for any test that they approve, and you'll get paid about 1 week after your test. And they pay through PayPal and Amazon gift cards. I'm not sure why the gift cards are recommended, but that's an option right there if you don't have PayPal. Okay, so here are some reasons for not getting paid for your tests. It's basically you haven't completed all your tasks, you haven't spoken well into the microphone, you're not giving them the results that they're looking for, basically, okay? Or they can't hear you, or the recording is really bad, or you're in a very noisy place, or you have just the recording of your experience wasn't good. So there's could be many factors, but I would suggest that you make sure you do your own test run first before you start doing a test for them. Are you gonna become rich with this? No, you're not, okay? Because you're probably only gonna get a few tests a week, if that, and you gotta make sure you qualify for the tests too. So that's it for Userfeel. If that's something that you want to do and earn $10 over and over again, that's so cool. Go ahead and just go to userfeel.com and check it out. But if you're someone that really wants to earn something even more that you can actually depend on, whether you want to earn like $500 more a month or something that will replace your current job even, you want to basically earn passive income even, that is when you can just go to my website and learn the process that I've used myself to earn a 4-digit online income. So just go to workanywherenow.com and check out the free video series that I've put together for you so you can see how I've been making money all this time and how you can learn the same skills to do it yourself as well and earn a lot more than just 10 bucks at a time using userfeel.com. All right, guys? So if you liked this video today, if you found valuable information in here, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, again, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways about how to make money online, and hit that notification bell so that you can see when my next video comes out. All right, guys, so thank you so much for coming to my video today. I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.